Alright, and we are back, and just to show you guys how the car looks like now with the new top. It is a black top. Unfortunately, it has the plastic and not the glass. At least we know everything's working now and looking much more beautiful than the day I got it. Okay guys, so we made a supercar Saturday. I'm gonna go a little bit of overview of what I did with the car in these past couple of weeks. I've been AWOL, I know that. But for starters, I finally got the convertible top to work. Thank you, Ariel, the cranking wagon again. He fixed the convertible top, headlights restored. I got the hubcaps installed. Missing clear coat was fixed only in this area. I still gotta repaint the whole car for 3-4 grand, which isn't so bad. Now this is looking like a true Porsche. Get a park with the big boys. Porsche group. TLC to be done. And this is looking a lot beautiful now. Now let's go enjoy the show. I never see these cars, now I actually do. The affordable dream car that I'll get one day. Papa, damn, I should have bought the Domino's. Free bananas? Bananas? Oh, this is so beautiful. Now this is some armored truck you see in the Fast and Furious movie. Holy crap. What is this right here? Then all the way in the back with little attention, we got that Bugatti Chiron.
He's a friend from Honduras.
Surprised I have not seen yet a Porsche 959. I see Skittles everywhere. It's that strange looking Cadillac nobody ever talks about. Well, he just got tired of the M54 engine, took out the turbocharger and I put a supercharger in it. Alright guys, it's been a long fun day here. I had to back come somebody's Audi Q7. I'm just gonna start heading out right now. Alright, peace out everybody. Oh, fail.